Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy and you are watching Running So and So. A little bit dishevelled because you've just seen what I've come back from my run to. Ta-da! It is that day and let's have a think. It's a little bit on the heavy side. I've stayed off Facebook today. I've been at Castle Howard, came home, did my run, charged my camera. And now I have time to open my box and I'm so excited. I would have done this before I went running, but for the fact my camera was flat. So I am now going to turn the camera down. Da, da, da. Let's see if I can do this easily. So there we go, camera down. Push this little lot out of the way. Right then guys, woo. Camera turned down, box in position. Grab a pair of scissors and off we go. Look, I feel quite proud of myself because I remembered to black out my address this time. I must be getting used to this. Ooh, let's just, I don't like to. Here we go. Now, as usual, when I do my boxes, I like to try and do them so you get my total reaction. So I'm just going to flip the box up. Laugh, live, laugh, love. I was going to go laugh, live, love, but here it is. Here is the box. I'm going to split. We're ready. Let's have a little look. Beautiful box again. I'm really loving the colours on the new boxes. I just think it's so Andrew and it's got that lovely shade of Beyond the Pink Door pink. I don't know if in between you can actually see. Can you see those little lighter shades of pink? Let me see if I can pick you one out. Like with these leaves here. There, that's a lighter shade of pink. It's not white, you can see the lighter shade of pink there. Now, my aim is to leave this video running and not to edit it because I'm short of time today. Oh, I do like to be beside the seaside. I do like to be beside the sea. Oh, and we have our beautiful card that says, scan this code with your phone and have a look at the e-box which accompanies this box. Well, this month's box contains 3 meters of fabric and there are 4 colorways. And on the back, we have a beautiful picture of some beach huts. So I'm thinking that we really are looking at the seaside there, those beautiful beachside houses. I'll tell you what those lovely houses remind me of. Many years ago I was fortunate enough to go to the town of Charleston and there's a little street of houses called Rainbow Row. So let's have a little look. Oh, I don't like grabbing this. Oh, we have some crisp. Oh, I've just seen the fabric. Birds, crisps. East of India. I wonder what's in here. Let's have a look. Oh, it's upside down. Shall we turn it round? Oh, it's another beautiful candle. Sea salt, hand poured in the Lake District. That would be absolutely lovely to light. I'm going to put this to one side. And can you see the fabric? Oh, it's absolutely lovely. Absolutely beautiful. I love it when you get the shades of brown with a hint of blue. So we have cotton or thread, whatever you want to call it. And this is slightly... Oh my gosh, there's something else at the bottom here. This is, I don't know what to say. I've got the most beautiful, beautiful little cross-stitch kit at the bottom. And it's a stunning little boat. I mean, this is really picking up the English seaside, Andrea. This is so utterly generous. It's so beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So in this little kit, you've got your aider, you've got your ring, you've even got a little hook. It says the kit contains Plastic hoop, 8 lots of thread, stitching fabric, 2 needles, threader and instructions. Oh, it's a threader. I thought it was a little hook to hang it onto the wall with. And I have been to Specsavers. So I'm going to put that down there. That is absolutely beautiful. Really, really, really beautiful. So let us move this out of the way and let us have a look at this absolutely beautiful fabric. Oh, it's absolutely stunning. It really is, isn't it? What do we think? And although you've got that lovely cappuccino hue to it, you've got it broken up with these beautiful blues. One of the lovely things to look at when you get your fabric the first time is to have a little look. You've got your washing instructions on the side there, but you've also got these traffic lights. Can you see these traffic lights? These traffic lights are what will guide you as to the colours in your fabric. And I really feel that the shades of blue they really pop out on this lovely cappuccino background. So as the fabric, we have 3 meters of this delightful fabric. So let's have a little look here. Now, let's pull this up. There we go. Can we see that? Oh, now I really am a blue person, and the colours, let me just zoom this in a bit closer so you can see it closer to my skin. I'm going to wrap it around my head so you can see it next to my face. A bit headscarfy, can you see? Because sometimes I think it's really good to see the colours next to your face. Now I am really sorry, I am looking at my screen because I'm focusing on what you can see. Right then, so you can see these beautiful blues really pop out, and the blue here picks up, let me take my glasses off, oh gosh, you can see I've got a bit of sunburn. The blue in here picks up that blue in my eyes, and the colour here is picking up what would be the natural colour of my hair. And I know that this colour is going to be absolutely fantastic on me. I'm just going to put my glasses back on. There you go. Now, and I love the orangey brown colour in here. And opposites on the colour wheel are orange and blue. Oh, I really love this. And we've got slightly more. So I think you could probably make a NYX dress with this. Now the NYX needs 3.25 meters, if my memory serves me right. But certainly if you were doing our challenge, I have to pop it in everywhere, don't I? Sew 7 together. If you haven't got the Sauvie dress, you will definitely get a Sauvie dress out of these 3 meters. Absolutely guaranteed. Sorry, I'm leaning forward because I don't want to look at myself, I want to look at you. You could definitely get a Sauvie dress out of it. You would definitely get the chalk and notch fringe dress out of it, and you could probably get the Austin by Grainline Studios out of it as well. I'm going to be very cheeky while I'm talking to you, and I'm going to have a look and see what other colourways they are because I'm being very nosy. So there is a blue, there is a coral, there is a grey, and there is a brown. Now I like coral as a rule, but I'm not a big bright coral, that colour. Oh, fantastic. It's absolutely beautiful, this fabric. I'm looking at this fabric, and the more I look at it, the more I can see the orange tones of the browns coming through. And one of the choices was an absolutely deep orange, and I really don't think that would have suited me. I think it would have been just too bright. But this is absolutely gentle. It's so soft. So let's have a think what we could make. Let me just go and have a little look in my pattern stash, and I shall be back in 30 seconds. So I've dug out a couple of other patterns apart from the NYX dress. I've dug out the lovely Wildwood. Is it the Wildwood? Yes, the Wildwood wrap dress by Sewhouse 7, which you have enough to make this dress, and the Tea House dress by Sewhouse 7. And I am very much sticking to my theme at the moment, which is very much Sewhouse 7, and I just like the Sewhouse 7 patterns. I'm also trying to sew what I have in the house, what I have in my stash at the moment, and neither of these dresses require zips. So I've got my cotton, I've got a lovely candle to sit back and have scenting out my room while I'm sewing. So both of these dresses you can make in either a linen or you could use a viscose. And this is the most stunning. For example, if I chose to make another Montevilla dress, that takes less fabric. I know that I would have enough to get out either a Remy Raglan or another Ogden cami. I'm into getting out my Ogden camis, but this is just the most beautifully drapey viscose. So I've given you some lovely ideas. I mean, I'd love to make a jumpsuit, and it's not really Zadie jumpsuit fabric, but it would make a beautiful jumpsuit. I mean, there's these sew over it patterns. There's the Florence dress, and there was a jumpsuit that they did, and I honestly can't remember what it's called, but I am absolutely delighted with that. Let me just put. I'm sorry this has been such a whiz of a video, but I've been out for my run, come back, and I was desperate to get my box undone, and I do like to give you a really live unboxing. And I thought I'd let you know how I got that thumbnail picture today. I had butter in my hands. They'll do anything for the right sort of treat. So I hope you've enjoyed what I've given you today. If you have enjoyed it, do consider subscribing. Click the button below or give me a like, give me a comment. Any interaction is fantastic. It's been lovely to have you here, and I look forward to seeing you all again very soon. Take care, everybody. Bye.